Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a compelling YouTube channel banner. Your channel banner is one of the first things viewers see when they visit your page, so it's essential to make a great first impression. Without further ado, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Determine your channel's theme and target audience. Before starting the design process, it's important to identify your channel's theme and target audience. This will help you create a banner that aligns with your content and attracts the right viewers. Think about who your content appeals to and what message you want to convey through your banner. Step 2. Choose the right dimensions. YouTube banners have specific dimensions to ensure they're displayed correctly on different devices. Currently, the recommended dimensions are 2560 pixels wide by 1440 pixels tall. Keep in mind that important elements should be placed within the safe zone, which is approximately 1546 pixels wide by 423 pixels tall to ensure they're visible across various devices. Step 3. Create a visually appealing background. Start by selecting an eye-catching background for your banner. You can use a solid color, gradient, pattern, or even a high-quality image. Make sure the background complements your channel's theme and enhances its overall aesthetic. Avoid cluttered or distracting backgrounds that might overwhelm your viewers. Step 4. Choose fonts wisely. Fonts play a crucial role in conveying your channel's personality. Select fonts that are legible, but also reflect the tone and style of your content. Script fonts may work well for beauty or lifestyle channels, while bold, sans serif fonts may be more suitable for gaming or tech-related channels. Experiment with different font combinations to find the perfect match. Step 5. Include an enticing channel name, username. Your channel name or username should be prominently displayed on your banner. Choose a font size and style that makes it easily readable, even when viewed on smaller screens or mobile devices. The channel name should stand out while still complementing the overall design. Step 6. Add visual elements that represent your content. Incorporate visual elements that represent your channel's niche or content. For example, if you're a food enthusiast, include images of food or culinary tools. If you're a travel vlogger, incorporate landmarks or symbols that represent the destinations you cover. Use these visual elements strategically to create a strong connection between your banner and your content. Step 7. Highlight your upload schedule or branding message. Consider including your upload schedule or a branding message within your banner. This could be a tagline or a short description that lets viewers know what they can expect from your channel. Keep it concise and place it in a location that doesn't distract from the overall design. Step 8. Be consistent with your branding. Ensure that your channel banner aligns with the overall branding of your channel. Use color schemes, fonts, and visual styles that are consistent with your channel's logo, profile picture, and thumbnails. Consistency helps establish a strong and recognizable identity for your channel. Step 9. Optimize for mobile devices. Remember that a significant portion of viewers access YouTube through their smartphones or tablets. It's crucial to optimize your channel banner for mobile devices. Test the banner on different devices to ensure it looks great and maintains its impact across various screen sizes. Step 10. Update your banner periodically. Finally, keep your channel banner fresh and relevant by updating it periodically. You can change it to reflect the seasons, promote special events or collaborations, or celebrate milestones. Updating your banner regularly keeps your channel looking vibrant and engaging to both new and returning viewers. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to design a compelling YouTube channel banner. Remember, your banner is the first visual representation of your channel, so make sure it accurately represents your content and appeals to your target audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Until next time, happy designing!